Hi, in this video I will show you how to create simple automation to detect water leak in your home. We will be using AQARA Hub M2, AQARA water leak sensor and AQARA Smart Home app on your smartphone. Everything needs to be added to the app, and you can check how to do that in our other movies on our channel. And when you have all set up, tap on the automation, tap add automation, choose if, choose water leak sensor, leak is detected, and choose then, choose Hub M2, choose place ringtone, choose a sound, tap OK and tap save. And now we have set up the automation and we can check if it's really working. I've got the glass with water and I will drop the water leak sensor there. And as you can see, leak is detected and Hub M2 plays alarm sound. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.